welcome to episode 4 of Old Man Yells at CTF. Now, in fairness, I haven't been yelling at these CTFs probably as much as I should, so stick around and let's see if I have a complete meltdown by the end of this one. I was going to do the challenge of bought, which has got a higher rating on here. I don't know why, because this isn't a DFIR challenge, this is a reverse engineering challenge. Putting your malware inside a memory image doesn't make it DFIR. There's a reverse engineering category. Stick it in there and stop being a dick. So the only other one we can do is Detroit Becomes Human. So let's grab that one. So we can see on this one, it's another triage, probably from Cape. So we're just going to load up Autopsy and load the files in there, and then we can start through the questions. Okay, start off with a new case. We're going to give this one a name of Detroit Becomes Human. I cannot be bothered to type all of those things out. Case number, we don't need to worry about any of these. Just press finish. Generate new based off host name. We just need to give it some files. So we'll add in the file. Navigate to the folder. Triage, give it the C drive, select that, hit next. We'll keep the rest in for now. We'll just give that some time to finish. So once you get to this point, just hit finish and then wait literally your entire life, and then it will give you some results. All right, so Autopsy is finished in the background. So we're going to go through some of these questions so we can figure out what they are. First one, what is a full link of the social media post which is part of the malware campaign and was unknowingly opened by Alonzo Spire? What is a full link of a social media post? It's a bit of a weird question. Was a full link of a social media post? I mean, I can see in the web history, we've got some Facebooks down the bottom. Probably going to be that. Let's copy and paste that and just find crap question. Not going to lie. Let's test this. I've got no idea if it works, but this is Facebook. He said social media. It's a post. Said it was a post. Yay, go me. I got it right. It's a bit crap because if somebody's looking at Facebook, I mean, yeah, sure, there's the ai.ultra.new and then there's the posts, but what a weird question. Can you confirm the timestamp in UTC when Alonzo visited this post? Right, let's give this one a try. So this is a timestamp which Autopsy has given us. Let's see if this is correct. It is. Check me out. Fucking nailing this. Right, Alonzo downloaded a file and system thinks it's an AI assistant tool. What is the name of the archive file he downloaded? So let's go and have a look at downloads. Web downloads. We've got a pstools.zip, web dev package.zip, AI Gemini. There we go. Let's go with that one. Come here. So grab it from the RAR, go to the end, delete that bit. Press submit again. That is the wrong answer. Do I just need the file name? Just need the file name. Okay. What is a full direct URL from where the file was downloaded? Do you know what I could do is I could just use this URL field right here and stop being an idiot. Tell you what, you just cannot get the stuff these days. So which one have we got? We've got a choice of 3, but this is a correct timestamp. They're all the same timestamp. That's awesome. Why are these different? Right. Let's try pasting one of these in then. Yes, apparently. All right. So we have 3 files downloaded, all downloaded from Drive. Why? I don't know. I don't know why there's 3 entries on here. This one has the word download in it. Who knows? Magic? If you know, leave a comment. Right, so Alonzo then proceeded to download and install the new download. I can't even say words. So Alonzo then proceeded to install the newly downloaded app, thinking it was a legit AI tool. What is a true product version which was installed? So he thought it was an AI tool. What did he actually install is what we're asking. Install 3.32.3. So what is it? Apparently called install. I mean, try that. What's a product version that was installed? Well, it's 3.32.3. I bet I can't remember that. 3.32.3. Okay, I don't know what the software is, but I've got the version of what the thing I don't know what it is. When was a malicious product successfully installed on the system? We'll go with this time here. Copy this. This is going to be a nightmare. I really need to learn to use Autopsy better. I suspect this is definitely a me problem. But I also don't care. Try that one. No, not the right answer. Okay. So it says when the program was installed, but apparently it's not right. 431.22. What did I just put in a second ago? Try 22. No. Edge setup.exe. So there's our setup.exe at 22 again. Really wants it to be 22. Then edge ran background host. Not sure what identity helper is off the top of my head. I have to Google that one. We ran the setup.exe. 431 and 22. When was a malicious products package successfully installed on a system? We'll come to this, 431 and 20. Okay, first I've exported the MFT and I put it into Timeline Explorer. So we're going to have a quick scroll through here, see if we can find whenever the hell this thing was made. There we go. Google/install. Got a new folder we made. 0431 and 20 seconds. 0431 and 20 seconds. 22, 23. So there's the elevation service, which we've seen already. Dumping the application event log. See if that gives us a different answer. 31 and 33. Right, so 0431 and 33 seconds. MSI installer. Ran on here. Installation was completed successfully. So this is probably, yeah. So it's this event log is what the author has created this off. All right, we'll go with that. Fucking CTFs, man. Malware used a legitimate location to store on the endpoint. Where did it store it on the endpoint? Could be that. Let's give that a crack. Guessing at this point. Probably. Let's try with that. Without that? No? How about like that? No? Like that? What an incredibly irritating question. See program files, Google. It used a Google one, and hey, look, I looked in the PowerShell event log and found it. Because reasons, I guess. I can't tell with these challenges if I'm being really, really thick or if they're just shit. It could be both. You know, why not both? All right, what was the name of the command line? Well, that was ru.ps1. That's not right. Did I get that wrong? ru.ps1. It could be the entire... let's have a look. Is it this whole thing? No. Is it that? No. It's ru. Fuck off. Yeah, I told you I'd have a meltdown by the end of this one, didn't I? Oh, what? If it's not ru.ps1, what is it? Do I have to go into another bloody folder? What are the contents of the file from question 8? Remove the white space to avoid formatting issues. I bet that's that one. Which event log do you reckon we'll go look through this time? I mean, there's only 135 event logs. I don't know why I'm complaining. We should use them all because, you know, that makes sense. I mean, all right, so I got bored of waiting for MFT Explorer to load. It was being a dick. So I decided just to open MFT in Notepad++, which is kind of the posh version of running strings on it. And I realized there's something in here which is actually going to answer the next question. I only realized because it's got the @ command. So this is the malicious command that was run, which then calls the ru.ps1. So I'm going to copy that one and drop it into the next question, which should be this one. As you can see, the format looks similar. So let's have a go. Right, remove white spaces. Okay. All of the white spaces? That just seems weird. Echo PowerShell is definitely a command that needs to be run. What was the command executed from this according to the logs? Yay, because we all love log files. I reckon it's this crap? I hope it's not, because the rest of these have all been genuinely awful. I can see why this got downvoted. Some of these questions are absolute garbage. What was the command execute from the file according to the logs? So this isn't hard because it's a difficult challenge. It's hard because it's bloody terrible. What was the command execute from this file according to the logs? So that one, apparently there's a .js file. I've completely forgotten the name of that folder, fuck me. So there's this content.js. What is the hex location of that thing on here? Who the hell cares? Yeah, do you know what? This is absolute garbage. I'm just going to stop here. There are plenty more questions I could probably get some of the answers from, but it's basically bouncing you from one event log to another and just being like, hey, go and get this and see if you... No, get fucked. This is crap. We've been given half a triage data set, and I think the author wants us to just go through all of the event logs and be like, hey, go through all these event logs. You know, if you put these into a seam or something, maybe you can go and find them, but just fucking no. So yeah, as these challenges are getting more difficult in nature, they're just becoming more esoteric and crap. I had a feeling that I'd have a meltdown by the end of this one. I didn't pre-read this. I've just been doing this as I go. So there are 2 hard challenges for the Sherlocks, which you can do without being a VIP, which is Bought and Detroit Becomes Human. Would not recommend either of them. Pretty crap, to be honest. I can see why there's only 86 solves on this one. These are not DFIR. These are esoteric CTF challenges. And I honestly don't know what you're expecting to learn from these or what you're expecting to teach. I don't know if the VIP ones are any good. I will at some point pay the VIP and give them a try. But right now, no. Stay away from them. Absolute garbage. If you've managed to complete these and you think I'm being a complete idiot, please leave me a comment. Feel free to call me a complete idiot. I don't care. And until next time, yeah, go try a different challenge. See if there's anything better out there and let me know. All right, cheers. Bye-bye.